Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. In this video, I'm going to show you a connection to a new device that we can use in VTube-LASER called the Metronor M-Scan 120. The Metronor M-Scan 120 is composed of a structure called a Navi-Target that is filled with LED infrared emitters that are being watched in real time by a camera. There's a camera behind the camera you're viewing me from, and embedded in this structure is a Nikon scanner with its own camera and a blue line laser that gives us surface points from when we scan tubing. So I'm going to go ahead and demo this new Metronor M-Scan 120 to you in this video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and scan this part just by aiming just like we would with a regular scanner. So that's how easy it is to use the Metronor M-Scan 120 with VTube-LASER. Now, one of the benefits of using a system like this is its ability to scan tubes in very large volumes. For example, you could combine 5 cameras in this system in order to measure a volume of 20 feet by 6 feet by 6 feet with no problem. So if you're interested in scanning very large tubes without having to use a Trax or a tripod, then this might be a solution for you. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to reach out to me or my team using support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.